On this episode, we're filling in low spots on the hood. So these shiny black dots are low spots. I think we sandblasted on this hood, sanded on this hood, welded on this hood, and then we sprayed it with Pour 15 black, and then we sanded that, and so now we have these little low spots, and they might fill in with primer. But what happened the last time when I did the doors was I epoxied and primered everything, came back and there were still low spots. So I'm going to fill these in first, and then we can epoxy primer the hood and then sand it, and hopefully it goes a little bit smoother. So I've already wiped it down with wax and grease remover, and then we're going to use some glazing spot putty to fill it in. Just use your finger. Goes pretty fast.
Okay, cool. Rolling. Got a letter this morning. How you reckon it read? Said, hurry, hurry, gal, your love is dead. I said, I got a letter this morning. How you reckon it read? I said, hurry, hurry, the guy you love is dead. Grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. Got down there, so lay down on that cooling board. I said, I grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. I got down there, she was laid out on that cooling board. Well, walked right close, looked down in her face. Said, a good old gal got laid to the judgment day. I said, I got right close, looked down in her face. A good old gal got to lay down to the judgment day. Looked like there's 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. Didn't know I loved her till they laid her down. Looked like there were 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. I said I didn't know how much I loved her till they laid her down. Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. Wouldn't mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. I said, Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. I will mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. Well, I fold my arms, slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, honey, see you on Judgment Day. I said, I'll fold up my arms and slowly walked away. said, fare thee well, fare thee well. See you on the judgment day. No, I went in my room, I bowed down to pray. Blues came along, drove my spirit away. I said I went into my room, bowed my head to pray. I said the blues came along, Lord, drove my spirit away. You know I didn't feel so bad till the good old sun went down. Didn't have a soul, throw my arms around. Said I didn't feel so bad. The good old sun went down. That's when I didn't have no soul, throw my arms around. I said I loved you, baby, like I love myself. You don't have me, you won't have nobody else. I said I love you, baby, then I love myself. I can't have you, baby, you can't have nobody else. You know it's hard, I love someone, don't love you. I said it's hard, it's so hard. Love someone that don't love you. Ain't no satisfaction, don't care what in the world you do. Got up this morning, just about to break a day, hugging that pillow where she used to lay. I said I woke up this morning, just about to break a day. I said I was hugging that pillow where my girl used to lay. Woke up this morning, feeling down for my shoes. You know my dad had more walking blues. I said I woke up this morning, feeling down for my shoes. I said you know about that, baby, I had more walking blues. I cried last night and the night before. Got to change my way of living so I don't cry no more. I said I cried last night and on the night before. Change my way of living, I don't have to cry no more. Hush, thought I heard her call my name. It was so loud, it was so nice and plain. I said, oh, hush. Thought I heard her call my name. If it wasn't so loud, Lord, it's so nice and plain. Well, listen, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, try to get along with you. I said, now listen, oh, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, I'll try to get along with you. Well, the minute seemed like hours and the hour seemed like day. It seemed like good old gal don't stop the low down ways. I said, minute seemed like hours, hours seemed like days. Oh, my good old gal don't stop the low down cheating ways. You know love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. I said love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. Well, love sometimes make you feel sad and blue. I said, well, I love sometimes make you feel sad and blue. shining like the sun. You know, baby, the only one.
So that's about it for this panel. 400 grit, and then wipe it down, 600 grit, to minimize the scratches underneath, because the first time was like 220 or something. So this will get set aside in the shop. I got to bring the other one out and do it, and then they go in for epoxy and primer, and then we do this all over again. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.